All right. Hey guys, so some of you may have noticed I've been a little light on the content lately, and the reason for that is that I'm actually moving. So I've been working on kind of getting packed up so I can get ready to move, just trying to get out of the burbs and get maybe a little bit more land and an RV garage, that kind of setup. So I've got a little bit more room to work on the vans and the trailers and everything else like that, right? So I actually have something cool today, and I'm going to show you guys. I don't know if you've ever wondered how a pod gets dropped off at your house. I wondered myself, I'm like, how are they gonna do that? It's a tiny little street, you know, in the burbs. There's not a whole lot of room anywhere. There's a bunch of stuff parked all over the place. I got my trailer over there. And so how do they actually drop that off? So, so this video is about that, kind of showing you exactly how they did that. And this, I'm gonna try to cut it so it's not too long, or cut out the bits that don't make any sense. But the whole process took like 9 minutes or 8.5 or something like that for him to actually just drop it off. From the time he actually showed up till the time he left was about 10 minutes. So that's pretty impressive. And what I have here is a 16-foot pod, or yeah, I believe 16 foot. And then we'll open it together here, see what's inside. All right. And that's what it looks like inside. So just a bunch of studs, some loops here so you can put some tie downs. And not a whole lot to it, honestly. Some more tie down options up here. So these little loops are all over the place. So I'm thinking like a ratcheting strap or something like that, because I was wondering how I would actually try to keep my items from sliding around in here. So I'm hoping this is enough. I also have some stuff loaded up in my own trailer. So I figured the 16-foot would be everything that I would need. I don't really have a lot of stuff. So besides my garage stuff, which for the most part is now empty. So I basically took everything out of that and loaded it up into my trailer over there. So let's see what we got. So I got the bikes and a couple of odds and ends up there. And that's what I got to do in here. And then inside, just some furniture and stuff. And maybe I'll do a little tour of the house, just so you guys, I don't know, after I got it empty, so you can see what that house looks like. And then I'll do a tour of the RV garage and everything else when I get to my next house, which hopefully will be pretty soon. Still working those final details out. So I'm going to queue up the video. Hopefully you guys are as interested in watching that getting downloaded as I was before I knew how it actually worked. So yeah, that's about it. Peace.